Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to delete a YouTube channel on a mobile device. And this process does work for both an Android or an iPhone. It's exactly the same. If you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, we first need to come to the YouTube application and go ahead and open that up and make sure first of all that you're signed into the channel you want to delete. From here, click your profile icon in the top right hand corner, and then you want to scroll down slightly and click the option at the bottom which says help and feedback. And what you want to do is click on the option which should be showing up, delete or hide your YouTube channel under popular articles. If not, just go ahead and type in the search box delete, and you'll see it should come up there, delete or hide your YouTube channel. Go ahead and give that a click, and then if you scroll down slightly, you need to click onto two options at the bottom. So you've got hide your channel temporarily or delete your channel permanently. So go ahead and click onto the delete your channel permanently option, and you'll see it's going to come up with the instructions to delete your channel. So what you need to do first of all is click to sign into your YouTube Studio. So if you click this text in blue, and what's going to happen is going to come up advising you to get the app, but don't get the app, actually click on the one underneath which says continue to Studio, because you can't delete your channel from the Studio app, you have to do it through a mobile browser. So just go ahead and ignore that and just click at the bottom where it says continue to Studio. And once it brings you to your studio, what you need to do is click onto the settings icon, which is down in the bottom left hand corner, the little gear cog. And then from here, just go ahead and click onto channel, which is on the left hand side in the menu. And then you want to click onto advanced settings. And then if you scroll down right to the bottom, you need to click on the option which says remove YouTube content. And what it's going to do is just ask you to enter your password just to verify your account. And oh, sorry, I've done that wrong. Try again. Okay, so once you've entered your password and you're logged in, what you want to do is scroll down and click again on the option which says I want to permanently delete my content. And what it's going to do is just quickly summarize what's going to happen when you permanently delete your content. So for example, your YouTube data, any comments you've made, things like that, is all going to be deleted, and all you need to do is tick the box to say you're happy and you've read that, and then go ahead and click the blue button which says delete my content. And again, it's just going to give you a quick summary, and to confirm this, and if you're happy to go ahead and delete your channel, you just simply need to enter your email address associated to the channel in the box down here. And go ahead and click on delete my content, and what's going to happen is going to come up with a quick confirmation message which basically says your content is in the process of being deleted. Sometimes it takes a few minutes, but it can take up to a couple of days if you have a lot of content. And that's how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description below, where you'll be able to give that a click and buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.